Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make "Only Me" by Asake. Asake just dropped this song, I think, some days back. Blaze did an amazing job on the beat. So, without wasting time, guys, let's go into our DAW. Let me show you guys how to remake "Only Me" by Asake. The first thing I'm gonna do is to get the tempo, and I think the tempo is around 116. So, an easy way you can do that is just right-click and just select detect tempo, select the region you think it's supposed to be, and it's telling me it's around 116, which is right. So I'm just gonna stretch everything to 116 and just chop up this little from the beginning, search by category, and I'm just gonna go to sub bass, a genre in bass and more. And the key of this song is on the key of G. So I'm just gonna transpose to make sure I'm on the key of G and just create our bass pattern. So let me just go to my piano roll and just this is what the bass sounds like. So let's put that down. Yeah, so I think this was just the groove. Dun, dun, yeah. Something similar to this. Okay, so I think we have the bass for the. Then we have this melody. There's also this melody, and I think that melody. For me, I'm just gonna use steel drums. Yeah. So this is just what we have for the. So for this now, for the steel drums, I could decide to add them like let me just add reverb to it. There's this particular part in Nexus that I love, the PD chilled part. PD chilled part. Let me go with the second one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna bring down the decay and the release a little bit. So I'll have this. Let me be on the key. Next is to start bringing in the drums. So I'm gonna start with my snare, which is this. Just gonna go to our piano roll and let's just put that down. Let's see where we're gonna put these. Let's put it here. The next thing we're gonna do is gonna add some percussion. So let's go with this part. So next we have this conga, and let's find the next conga. Then this conga, I think, is gonna stay here. So for the conga, I'm just gonna try to layer the conga. So next, I'm just gonna bring in a hi-hat. Then next, I'm gonna bring in my kick. So let me just go pick this, my favorite kick. So for the kick, I'm just gonna have let's try to go with the exact kick we have on the jam. We're just gonna go and let's see. So I'm just gonna add this percussion to, let's call this part 3. So this we just have. I need on that percussion. Let me see. I think I'll just put this here. I'm gonna try. I'm just gonna pick one of the Amapiano shakers. Let me lay it on that shaker. Yeah. So let me just turn this down a little bit. So guys, we have the vibe, we have a vibe, you know. I think it's similar to that. So what I can do is I'm just gonna extract the vocals. I'm just quickly gonna extract the vocals from the original song. All right, so we have the vocals extracted, but I'm not gonna play the vocals. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pick this section. I'm just gonna pick the verse. So I'm gonna pick from this bar 9 all the way to, let's stop at 25. So I'm just gonna, you know, export that. Yep. So I mean, all the me. Shout out to all the me. So I'm gonna select this and just go to pick the project. Let me just convert it. I think I'm gonna be using Austin. I'm gonna use Austin vocals, or who else? Okay. Let me go with this. Let me go with him and convert. Let's convert and see what we get. All right. So it has converted. Let's just listen to what it sounds like.
Automatic pussy traffic, you know I demand let. I'm passy Joe. I'm passy.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna use it. So let's just drag that. I'm gonna drag it inside now.
Automatic pussy traffic, you know I demand let. I'm passy Joe. I'm passy. Oh, le Bugami, Iyami, me then give me space.
So I'm just gonna send it to my mixer and just, you know, quickly just use my EQ.
Automatic pussy traffic, you know I demand let.
Just cut out some off. Quickly just do some.
Automatic pussy traffic, you know I demand let.
Just add some reverb.
I'm passy. Oh, le Bugami, Iyami, me then give me space. Automatic pussy traffic, you know I demand let. I'm passy Joe. I'm passy. Oh, le Bugami, Iyami, me then give me space. I'm passy Joe. I'm passy.
Yeah, so let's from here. Let's see.
Only me, only me, only me, Boambu are the bills. Only me, Boambu are the bills. Only me, I don't pay my dues. Only me, Boambu are the bills. Only me, I don't pay my dues. Only me, now I don't want use love you. Only me, Boambu are the bills. Only me, I don't pay my dues. Only me, now I don't want use love you. Only me, only me, only me, only me, only me. The letter my son, only me. I like you all out of only me. You for the art there, only me, only me, only me.
So
automatic pussy traffic, you know I demand.
So I'm gonna use GMS.
I'm passy Joe. I'm passy. Oh, le Bugami, Iyami, me then give me space. I'm passy Joe. I'm passy.
So let me just look for the bass.
Automatic pussy traffic, you know I demand let. Automatic pussy traffic, you know I demand let. I'm automatic pussy traffic, you know I demand let. I'm passy Joe.
I think there was a pause on the beat here. Basically my own arrangement.
I'm passy Joe. I'm passy. Oh, le Bugami, Iyami, me then give me space. I'm passy Joe. I'm classy. Only me. Boo and boo are the bills. Only me. I don't pay my dues. Only me. Now I don't want use love you. Only me. Only me. Only me. Only me.
Yeah, so I just think it's just to bring in some sax.
I'm classy. Only me. Boo and boo are the bills. Only me. I don't pay my dues. Only me. Now I don't want use love you. Only me. Only me. Only me. Only me. Only me. Boo and boo are the bills. Only me. I don't pay my dues. Only me. Now I don't want use love you. Only me. Only me. Only me. Only me. Only me. And I got my son. Only me. I like you all out of. Only me. You for the heart. Only me. Only me. Only me. I'm classy. Only me. Boo and boo are the bills. Only me. I don't pay my dues. Only me. Now I don't want use love you. Only me. Only me. Only me. Only me. I'm classy. Only me. Boo and boo are the bills. Only me. I don't pay my dues. Only me. Now I don't want use love you. Only me. Only me. Only me. Only me. Only me. The let that my son. Only me. I like you all out of. Only me. You for the heart. Only me. Only me. Only me. Automatic, cause the traffic, you know I demand less. I'm classy, Joe. I'm classy. Oh, le Bugami, Iyami, but then give me space. I'm classy, Joe. I'm classy. Only me, boo and boo are the bills. Only me. I don't pay my dues. Only me. Now I don't want use love you. Only me, only me, only me, only me, only me. The let that my son. Only me. I like you all out of. Only me.
So guys, you can see how very easy it is to create any beat you hear out there. You just have to work on your ears, and with time you're going to be able to pick out sounds and separate them. And shout out to Audimi, so you could see how Audimi is very important. So I got the vocals from the original song, and Audimi was able to transform it in such a way that I'm not going to get a copyright strike on this video. So guys, if you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I'm sure I'm gonna respond to every one of your comment. Let me know your suggestion and what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.